Top 7 Hidden Truths. 1. People are more emotional than rational. Despite believing we make logical decisions, emotions drive most choices. Studies show that people often rationalize decisions after making them emotionally. Example: buying a luxury item because it feels right, then justifying it with practical reasons. 2. Social approval shapes behavior. Humans are wired for social belonging. Research, like the Asch conformity experiments, shows people change their opinions to fit in, even if they know it's wrong. Social validation is more powerful than logic. 3. The brain prefers shortcuts. Our minds take mental shortcuts to process information quickly. This leads to cognitive biases, like confirmation bias and availability bias, overestimating the likelihood of recent events. 4. People overestimate their own abilities. Known as the Dunning-Kruger effect, people with low ability often overestimate themselves, while experts sometimes underestimate their competence. Confidence doesn't always equal competence. 5. Humans are naturally self-centered. Even acts of kindness often have selfish motives, e.g., feeling good, avoiding guilt, gaining status. Psychology calls this reciprocal altruism. We help others when there's a perceived benefit in return. 6. The fear of loss is stronger than the joy of gain. Loss aversion makes people fear losing something more than they enjoy gaining something of equal value. This explains why people hold on to bad investments or avoid risks, even when the odds are in their favor. 7. People desire freedom, but struggle with it. While people crave autonomy, they also struggle with too many choices, paradox of choice.